Hello, good morning you guys. Good morning Instagram world. Wow. Yes. Kamusta po kayo ngayong araw na ito? It's Friday na and finally makakaramdam na tayo ng konting pagiging normal sa buhay. Akala ko kasi parobot na ako eh. Hi Sir Herson, good morning. Hi Lovin, kamusta boss? Ready na ba tayo? Sobrang inspired ko na mula kahapon eh. Parang kukulitin ko na sila eh. Good morning! Good morning, Teacher A. Good morning, Jam. Good morning, GCC. Sophia, Live. Hello. Good morning. Diba makakahinga na tayo? Hello. Good morning, you guys. Okay, if you haven't checked out yet, this is on TikTok.
Lolo Kik, asawa ni mami ko.
Why?
In the party.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
no.
Telling you, di ba there's something there talaga?
Yeah, I'm still sick also, Mama. How about you,
Ikaw
Yukina?
pala yung nahawaan ko.
Are you still sick ba?
Yeah.
Did you have fever last night?
Parang hindi ako makatulog na maayos.
Ako naman, inuubo lang ako, Mama, pero nagtubig ako na nagtubig. Nawala naman, pero feeling ko it was not because of the party. Kasi kung sa party to, dapat sabay-sabay tayo, diba?
Oo.
So baka sa iba na to.
Good.
Come on, thank you.
Is he okay? What's his status now?
Well, he'll be kept
Hello,
there.
good morning. Hi, Aishlin. Aislinn.
But I mean, it's not
Thank
too
you,
naman,
Tresilita. Hi, Direct Dolly. Mag-work na ba tayo? Mama Junie, good morning. Direct Dolly, I miss you. Parang isang beses lang tayo, dalawang beses nagkita. Hindi pa tayo nagkaka-work. We have to work na.
Let's keep
Okay.
him for about 3 days.
Okay.
Maybe 3 days, Mama. Ano, natutubig yung left eye ko. May parang may pumasok na debris.
Okay, we have to put my... Good morning. Hi, Tori. Magpapapadrid ka na. Ayoko. Just gonna put my...
It smells so nice.
Yeah, you like it
The
talaga,
more
no?
it's growing, it grows on you eh.
Yeah,
Alam mo yun?
sa skin ko siguro.
Yeah.
Parang ano talaga. Okay, here. Okay guys, wait a minute. Go. Dito ka na. Dito na. Dito na ako. Lipat ako dito. Okay. Nice ano talaga. Yesterday I was telling Abby parang nice talaga the pabango.
Oh, sobrang bango.
Laban natin, Direk. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna... Anong oras na ba? I'm not sure if my coffee's already here. Good morning! Hello, RV! How's my mare? RV, ikaw ba yan? Ay, mali ata ako. Hi, hello po, Miss Anna! Hello.
Ano shoot ako?
Yeah, we should.
Sabi ko sa kanila
Okay, alright, sige. Okay guys, I'm gonna say hi later, okay? Hi. Wala ko